Welcome to the World Drone Market channel. Today we'll show you how to connect the Skydroid C11 to the SIYI UniRC7. The video is divided into 3 parts. What products are used in this test? How to connect the hardware. How to display the video. What products are used in this test? The products used are SIYI UniRC7 remote controller, Skydroid C11 gimbal camera, and a Tata 5300 mAh battery. The cables used are C11 Ethernet power cable, SIYI UniRC7 receiver power cable, and an XT60 to JST adapter. How to connect? Connect the POW plus LAN port of the C11 to the LAN port of the RC7 receiver. The connector on the C11 side is a GH 1.257 pin connector, while the connector on the RC7 receiver side is a GH 1.258 pin connector. First connect the battery to the adapter, then power on the RC7 receiver. The connectors used are XT30 and JST 2.54 mm. How to display the video. Power on the remote controller and open the gimbal FPV application. If the video is displayed normally, everything is working correctly. If no video appears after entering the app, tap the camera switch icon in the upper right corner, find the C11 icon and select it. The first icon on the left is video recording. And the second icon is photo capture. The first icon at the bottom enables the center crosshair. The second icon enables the parking line. The third icon enables the floating window. To use the floating window, you need to grant the required permission in the remote controller settings. Once enabled, the feature can be used normally. Next, let's look at the settings menu. Gimbal control, AI tracking and 3 control methods are available. Multiple control methods can be enabled at the same time. Gimbal calibration calibrates the gimbal operating temperature to prevent abnormal operation caused by a large temperature difference between the ambient temperature and the IMU operating temperature. Gimbal fine-tuning. The gimbal has been calibrated and fine-tuned at the factory. Do not use this function unless the gimbal has an issue. Working mode. Select upright mount or inverted mount. Gimbal speed. The gimbal supports constant speed mode and variable speed mode, allowing you to adjust the gimbal movement speed. Gimbal control. AI tracking. After selecting a target, the C11 will automatically track it. Virtual joystick control. Control the gimbal pan and tilt using the on-screen virtual joystick with one-tap center reset support. Gesture control. Swipe on the screen to control the gimbal pan and tilt. Open gimbal speed and move the speed slider. You can see that the gimbal rotates much faster when using gesture control. The first row of buttons on the right includes one tap down, global center, center. The second row of buttons includes zoom in, zoom out. The top button is one tap zoom in and the bottom button is one tap zoom out. Enter the system settings menu in the upper left corner. The first item is the C11 visible light RTSP address. The second item is the video switch. If you turn it off, the camera will stop transmitting video. Scroll down to encoding settings where you can flip the video image, check the camera firmware version and configure the OSD display. Tap video flip and you can see the video image rotate. Copy the C11 visible light RTSP address, then open QGround control. Go to Application Settings, then the General page. Set the video source to RTSP video stream, paste the RTSP address and return to the flight view. You will then be able to see the C11 live video. You can also use the C11 RTSP address in the C ground station. Open UniRC7, tap Settings in the upper right corner. Then open the last settings page, find Connection Settings, paste the C11 RTSP address, and you will be able to view the C11 live video in UniRC7. That concludes this tutorial on connecting the Skydroid C11 to the SIYI UniRC7. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the World Drone Market channel. See you in the next video.